Yeah, y'all know what time it is. Black Rain motherfucker TV in the building. It's your boy Two-Tone in the building. My nigga White Boy James, you know what I'm saying? We in this junk chillin', sippin' something. I'm in this junk like Ned the wine, know with the wine and the bird, you hear me? I ain't blue topping it tonight, you know what I'm saying? Man, y'all make sure y'all get that blood money, man. That jump bumping like a fool, man. The After Six, Man the Milk, man. Any CD on the website, official BlackRainENT.com. Blood money, bumping this album over there. Can't nobody fuck with it, can't shit out over it. Don't move. My nigga T-Rock, man, shouts out to him. IAPTV, you know what I'm saying, going down. You know what I'm saying, want your demo heard, producers, rappers, some of my shit. Man, send your shit, you know what I'm saying. My nigga White Boy James, man, here, check it out. It's all good, we in the junk. You know what I'm saying, like I said, sipping on the wine tonight. And the Bud Light, you know what I'm saying. And bam, motherfucker, you know what I'm saying, sipping on the syrup, you heard me. You see the name, it's real shit, we down here doing it big. You know what I'm saying, M-Town style. You know what I'm saying, got a little song, mixtape done out here, 6-star, man, bumping like a fool. You know what I'm saying, I appreciate all the love from you, you know what I'm saying, me make Monteith on that thing. You know what I'm saying? They loving the junk, you know what I'm saying? Just something I did, you know what I'm saying? Cause I had to represent, you know what I'm saying? Did it for all my thugs out there, my real niggas and the bitches, you know what I'm saying? Did it for everybody, you know what I'm saying? Real street shit from street niggas, you know what I'm saying? Man, it's going down, you heard me? What it do, fool?
Right. I want to get on here real quick, man. Just holler at all these little folk niggas out there, man. Now, you know what I'm saying? You got that bullshit, man. So come on down.
If I ever get to meet a bitch, I'm the one they like. Go to school and be a thirsty bitch, working 9 to 5. Watch my liver when I'm out, trapping hard to survive. Ride with me till I'm rich. If I'm not, she never switch. All you guys can have a 5. I want a 6
come out here and tell y'all big fuck you. And that's all I want to say. So you know what I'm saying? I got my shit out there. You know what I mean?
Yeah, we got love for everybody. You know what I'm saying? Everybody support us. You know I appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? Everybody, man, keep bumping that Black Rain shit. We gonna keep bringing you real shit with the solo, the Lord John, Mac Monteith, John, my John, mixtape with some niggas, man. You ain't heard in a minute. You know what I'm saying? I'm bringing them niggas back out of town. You heard me? That's what real niggas do. Real niggas stick together. Nigga, I grind hard, nigga. You know what I'm saying? This me every day. You know what I'm saying? 366. You know what I'm saying? Every day I'm grinding, you heard me? 26, 9, motherfucker, I'm grinding, you know? Eat, sleep, shit, this motherfucker. I'm be doing what I do, you heard me? I'm about the motherfucking paper, nigga. If it ain't about motherfucking money, it don't make sense, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Nigga, I'ma sleep when I die. Fuck that. We out here trying to do this shit, you know what I'm saying? Give all the people, you know what I'm saying, what they want, you know what I'm saying? I do this for y'all, you know what I'm saying? Y'all the reason I keep giving y'all this real shit, giving y'all me from my heart. You heard? I don't give a fuck for just, you know what I'm saying, rapping out fuck with everybody, you know what I'm saying? I don't give a fuck where you're from, we can be a motherfucking German, you heard me? I'ma be high as a fool, and I'ma bump this bitch, you heard me? Cause it is what it is, I told y'all motherfuckers, I'm the new king of rap, you know what I'm saying? I'm the Michael Jackson of the motherfucking rap game, nigga, you heard me? You see the skin tone, me and Michael Jackson, we can click clack, but I don't fuck with the kids, you heard me, nigga? Grown-ups only, nigga. I'm a real motherfucking pimp, bitch. You know what I'm saying? It's going down. Black Rain Entertainment, ho. Suck some hard, you fake-ass bitch.